Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you another beautiful knife from TWOSUN. So this is the TS221 and this one is a little bit more special for me because I actually do know the designer and also have been communicating with him for the past few months. He's a great guy. He is on social media on Instagram where I have communicated with him. So he is predominantly a designer, so he's not making his own knives, but did collaborate with TWOSUN on some of his designs. So he has a few designs out there that can be purchased right now, and I'm happy to have the opportunity to acquire one of the 221. So this is a stylishly a modern traditional gentleman's knife. So it is a slip joint. So for all of you have the restrictions with locking and so on, this will be a nice addition to your collection. Okay, so designer is going by the name Jelly Jerry. So here you can see Jelly Jerry design, and he has his work published on Instagram. You can go and check him out. I will link his Instagram page down below. It is just Jelly Jerry at Instagram, but you can go and check him out if you like. Okay, so let me talk you through the specification really quickly. So we have a whole length of 17.5 centimeters or 6.89 inches. The blade length is 7 centimeters or 2.76 inches. The handle length is 10 centimeters or 3.94 inches. We have a blade thickness of 3.9 millimeters or 0.15 inch. The blade width is 2.3 centimeters or 0.91 inch. The blade is made out of M390 with a hardness of 60 RC. It has a satin CNC milled finish with the blasted inside the cutout here. The handle is made out of TC4 Titanium alloy. Has a 2 mounting position for the pocket clip, and this is what I really like to see, that they give you the option to carry it inside your pocket, also as a clipped to your pocket. The weight is 102 grams or 3.6 ounces. Rides on washers, and it is a slip joint. So please, no one-handed shenanigans with this one. It has a really pronounced hard spring, so just keep that in mind. You have to apply a little bit more pressure than standard, and also while breaking it. It has a really nice half stop, and right about there. So please do not try to do this, because yes, I did try and I got caught, and it's not good. As you can see, because of this finger choil here, it will overextend beneath this part here. So if you have your finger here, then it will hit you. So be just really careful with this one. The finger choil for my finger is a little bit small, but probably this was not intended as a finger choil, but more at a sharpening choil right there. So if you like, you can use it, of course, to choke up with more detailed work. some designs, or some, should I say, some slip joint design have incorporated the finger choil, like the Spyderco, because they want you to be able to semi-lock the blade with the grip configuration. This one has a really nice 3D milled pocket clip. It is really strong. Let me see what will the jean pocket say about this one. So closing two hand. So no problems there. It's going inside without any kind of problems. Also extraction is so this is how much it will stick out your pocket. So you have positive, it's a good size to pinch it and get it out. Yeah, the shape of the blade is really pleasing for my eyes. I really like this kind of what's this? The clip point, almost clip point style of blade. I will compare it, of course, to the Benchmade proper. If you like the Benchmade proper with the clip point blade, but do not like those annoying humps here and here, then this design is, in my opinion, better suited for you. Even if you have a larger hand, this is really good for larger hands, of course, like I do. So let me show you the centering. The centering is perfect, so execution, machining, finishing from TWOSUN is spot on. These knives are really well made. Yes, you are paying around $130 for this one directly, but let's face it, M390 titanium, nice design. Keep in mind that all these factor in, and for that price this is a really beautiful knife, and you can probably get it even cheaper. Sometimes they have also some flash sales or end year sales or different kind of sales. And if you go on eBay, like I usually like to encourage, some of my experiences were really good. I got this one also on eBay, so I did pay far less than the 130 that is the asking price directly from a Chinese reseller. So there are no sharp corners, which is really good to see. Has also the design, different design of a pivot screw right here. So the standard pivot looks like this one, maybe a little bit enlarged like this one. So this is a two screw design, and I have not taken it apart, so I don't know if you will need to have two screwdrivers. If you are looking inside, they are nicely milled out. They probably could do a little bit more, maybe a few tenths of a millimeter to even lessen the weight, but around 102 grams. This is not a heavy knife and has a lot of capabilities. And they also have a milling process on the scales, so they will not only give you just a smooth flat scale, but also investing more machine time to produce these. Like I mentioned, the pocket clip is reversible and really a nice eye-pleasing design. So really great job, Jelly Cherry, for designing this one. I hope to have the possibility to acquire more designs as soon as they are produced by TWOSUN to share also with you here. And now let's see some size comparisons. So let me show back the Benchmade proper and the small reptilian. Then I have here the Kershaw Shuffle 2, Kershaw Skyline, the beautiful TWOSUN 187, a little bit larger of course, case tribal lock, Buck Sprint Pro, Buck Vantage Pro Mini, TWOSUN 111, and the TS137, almost the same size. Some spider calls. I have here a well-known cast member, the Delica 4 and the Endura 4. So probably you now have a good picture how large this knife is, and also a full-size reptilian. Okay, so I will try to put all the information in the description down below, like I always try to do. So if you want to contact this designer, so there will be also his email right there. Also, I will link you the page where you can buy this knife, but I strongly encourage you do your homework. So go on eBay, check them out, go on different sites. Maybe you will find a better price there. Like I mentioned, the current price when I'm making the video is $129.99, so $113. This should include also shipping, of course, from China. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife, gear oriented, but sometimes also hobby stuff. So I wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.